Hi, I'm Myriam, and I'll be at the Marketing Analytics Summit presenting Trendsetters, a cure for data discrepancies.
Hi, I'm Sarah, and I'm presenting alongside Myriam. The reason I'm excited about presenting at the Marketing Analytics Summit is because I think we all have problems with data discrepancies, and I want to provide alternative solutions for you.
I'm fed up with the lack of clarity. I am fed up with feeling this lack of confidence when it comes to facing the data and trying to explain it to stakeholders who have eroding trust in me. I want a solution. I found a solution, so I'm here to talk about it.
I'm excited for you to come listen to our presentation because we're going to provide two separate options for you to get all stakeholders involved in finding actionable insights from the data that you have instead of worrying about the data you don't.
If you're stuck dealing with data that seems to be very noisy or contradict each other because each platform has a different definition of what a conversion means, for example, we'll show you two different approaches to getting a handle on it, okay? Number one, you can find emerging trends by combining various data sources. Number two, you can define your own metrics. Don't let Facebook or GA4 define what a conversion means for you and your stakeholders. See you there.